to another episode of Mark for Future's Cooking Amma. And today we've got a very special episode because we're going to be cooking caramel biscuits. That's right. So, what do we need? First, we need some bread. Okay? You can have as much as you want or as little as you want. It's your choice. So, we take the bread and we're going to first slice it. Okay? Just like this. Widthways or lengthways can be done either way because we're going to, once you have slices like this, we are then going to turn it around the other way and slice back down, almost making it into quarter pieces. Alright, so then you should have little chunks like this, alright, and then we're going to baste it in butter or oil, your choice. Put it in the oven for 3 minutes so they're nice, crispy and golden brown. If you don't have an oven at home, you can use a frying pan. Alright, so we're going to put them in the mix. Just like this. And then we're going to add our sauce. You can add caramel or, as we've got here, chocolate sauce. I like chocolate sauce myself, but it's your preference. Okay, so we put it in like this. Alright. Again, add as much or as little as you want, your choice. And then we're going to mix it in together. Okay, as you can see. Alright. And this is easier when it's crispy because they won't stick together. Okay, so once you've finished mixing in the sauce, what we're going to do is add in the sprinkles. Okay, so you've got a little bit of flair. Alright, just like this. So we've got ourselves some chocolate sprinkles with some other little goodies in there. And there you have the finished mix. Okay, and this is the caramel biscuit, or in this case, the chocolate biscuit. Thank you very much and enjoy.